Reading in the middle of the night again, you midnight owl? You need a book light not to hurt your eyes. This one might be a way out. You can read up to 200 pages or 3 hours on one charge now. Or you can finally enjoy knitting and even thread a needle from the first attempt. Clip it to your glasses and a soft LED light starts to follow your head's movements, providing a necessary light in a particular place. Don't wear glasses? Okay, use the band or clip it right to your AirPod. It's that lightweight. Too many cables. That sucks. You need to organize them if you don't want to deal with that tangled mess. This tech organizer is your way out to keep everything in place and improve your productivity. Stick the band to the laptop with the adhesive or just wear it to keep your pen at hand. Or you can perform the same trick with the table and make sure all the cables and hubs are neatly organized. You say you have some free space on the wall? Perfect. You can keep your eyeglasses now. Just pick the most preferable option. It's